feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, your boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, man, we got a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. I tried, guys, I tried. I was able to get the handle out, and I tried to get this here out, and there's a big panel behind there with a little hole for access, and it was like, man, you know? So, I tried. As you guys know, the ones that have been in for a while, the body man's, hop along. Actually, hop along is out getting hip replacement surgery. So hopefully y'all won't be seeing hop along no more. He'll be walking smooth, you know what I'm saying? So he's 70 years old. The owner shop, he's like 70. So they can't really get down and get the stuff out. So I try when I can, but that's what it is, man. Yeah, new fender, damage on the hood, we're gonna be blending. This is every painter's favorite paint code, PAU. It's a pain. It's a pain to match, it's a pain to blend. Everything about PAU is a pain. But I got a real close color, very close. You can panel paint it. So the blend should be easy. I actually wanted to go all the way, do the whole hood, but we'll see, man. We'll play around with it. New bumper as well. Today, man, we're gonna be spraying this with the LS400. We're gonna try to clear with this gun. Actually a couple subscribers have mentioned it over time, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. They're saying that this gun sprays clear, good. Now I have sprayed clear coat out of the DeVilbiss DV1 base coat gun, and that worked good. I can't even explain how that thing worked or why it worked, but it laid down clear great. The DV1 base gun did. So I'm gonna try it with this and see if my subscribers are just telling me some crap or does it really work. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. Hello there, my beautiful YouTube family. Nope, not at an angle. Don't do it at an angle. You're gonna blow stuff back on the hood. Aim it down, keep it sharp. Right on the body line, keep it sharp. So yes, hello there, my beautiful YouTube family. And what's up to all you ugly mother suckers too. Okay, few subscribers have mentioned this to me. I thought it was crazy, but I tell you what triggered for me to go ahead and try this. Last week I had a subscriber say that he purchased one of these guns used on eBay. He purchased the LS400 as well as it was one more gun. Dude, if you're watching the video, get in the comments, drop a comment. But he purchased two guns. It was this gun and another one off eBay for, I think, $250. $250 used. So that had me thinking, like, some of you guys that like to buy guns used off of eBay, you can come across some good deals and a good gun, one gun that can do everything. So, I'm basically doing this to give you guys options, Not everybody wants to use little cheap V4 guns, even though you're doing stuff from home. Some of you guys still want good quality guns like the iWaters and stuff. So I figure I'll let you guys see if it can be done. Matter of fact, it just hit me. He got this gun and a SEALER 3000. SEALER 3000 RP for $250. Man, that's a steal and a half. So, if you guys can get some stuff like that, then it's all good. Especially if this can spray some clear, then you guys working from home have good quality guns that will last. So that's basically it. So I figure I'll go ahead and try it. But I have definitely had a couple guys mention to me that they sprayed clear out of it and it sprayed good. A lot of times I just ignore stuff, but once you hear it enough, kind of be like, all right, it might be something to it, So that's what we're doing here today. I actually shot the sealer out of the gun as well. So this is basically everything from the sealer to the wet bed, base coat, metallics, clear. When you're spraying your bumpers, don't aim your gun back down towards the truck there, towards the hood. Don't do that. You want to tilt your gun down. See, everything's gonna be flying over there, metallics landing on the hood. You want to try to aim it down if you can. Sometimes you got to get behind something, but you kind of never really want to position the gun to spray directly back on the hood. know, actually, my booth is so big, I could have took the bumper back even a little further, but that's something you guys definitely want to keep in mind when you're spraying bumpers or whatever parts, flares from fenders or whatever it is. You know, that's something else that'll cause you a bunch of dirt and you won't even realize what's going on there. You know, I always try to angle that gun down towards the part you're spraying and not back aimed at the hood on the vehicle, because then you get all kind of dirt like I did at the end of this job, and then you don't know where the hell it's coming from. I got a lot of dirt in this one. Not sure what the hell happened, but I don't think it was because of that. See here how it's still wet. When I tell you guys I put on the base wet, you put your base wet, give it time, let it flash. This is after a few minutes, blowing air on it, let it flash off. You guys that are taking up that technique of putting down your base wet, I always tell you, extended amount of flash time, especially right before clear coat. Right before clear, just take a walk, go smoke a cigarette, go do some push-ups, do something, but take a walk. Extended. Okay, so going with the hood here. Now sometimes on these hoods, you go with your blend, you're making your blend. Sometimes a couple passes and it'll look good. And then sometimes you don't get so lucky. What the hell was I doing there? Okay, well, the bumper was gonna meet up with the hood. See, the bumper matches up to the hood there, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure I had a little bit of paint right along the front of the bumper there. Little things you gotta always remember, you know. Trying to do a little drop coat here, get these metallics to lay down a little better. Again, like I was saying, sometimes you start off where I started on the corner of that hood. Sometimes a couple passes and it looks fine, and then sometimes you just got to keep playing with it on those hoods. You know, sometimes you get it right there, first pass, boom, looks good. You work it off of a body line and it looks good. A lot of times I'll do that. I won't even have the intentions to stop so short. I'll say, okay, I'm gonna take it across the hood, and then I'll do my first couple passes, land it on the body line, and it just looks like, okay, I'm stopping right there. As long as you got your coverage, okay, stop right there. So you go to playing around with it, playing around, trying to take it out, stretch it out further, man, who knows where the hell you wind up, you know? Next thing you know, it's the whole panel. Okay, going with the clear coat. Spraying the clear at 28 PSI. 28 PSI. The fluid was wide open, and I turned it in 2 turns. Also, the fan. I have the fan dialed in 2 complete turns from wide open. The fans on these guns are massive, and it's just, you don't need that much fan, you know? You really don't. These suckers are massive. And I have a 1.4. All of my eye waters, every eye water I own is a 1.4. So larger fan than a 1.2 or a 1.3, and a lot more speed. As you see right there, it's flying. And it sprayed really good, man. Really good. I'm kind of surprised, but then I'm not. Surprised I never thought of it to try it before or listen to subscribers, but yeah, it worked really good.
Trigger man, come on, brother. Is this really what we're doing now, man? Come on, man. It's like either you're spraying a stupid cheap gun or you're doing some crap like... Man, come on, Trigger. Man, you got more to offer the guys than this kind of stuff, man. Come on, Trigger. With all that knowledge you got, brother. Gosh, man, spraying clear coat out of the base coat gun. Man. Oh, boy. Man, Trigger, you never cease to amaze me, brother. You never cease to amaze me. I mean, I get what you're doing, you know. You're trying to give the guys the option guys that like to do eBay and stuff like that, offer up, Craigslist. I mean, I get it, like some guys working from home, man, they don't want to spend no $1,000, no $900 on no water, So, I mean, I get it, man. It's like sometimes I get what you're doing, even though I don't agree with it, but I understand, man. It's like, man, that thing look good too, Trill. That thing look good, Trill. Oh yeah, I saw what you were saying too about spraying. Well, I guess yeah, you always give some tips, man. Even though it seems stupid to me, but when you watch the whole video, you always walk away with something, So I respect that, Trigger. I respect that. That's honorable, Trigger. That's honorable. But it's looking good, man. I guess I'll let it fly today, brother. You got your paint coat on, your paint suit, you got gloves on, and everything. So, all right, kind of stupid idea, but I'm gonna roll with it, Trigger. All right, I'll let you get on with your lesson, brother. Spray on, brother. Spray on.
So I will say I was pleasantly surprised with this. So any of you guys out there that come across these guns used, well, this gun particularly, used at a good price, hey man, you got an awesome sealer gun, wet bed gun, base coat gun, awesome metallics, awesome clear coat. You got a good gun there that can do everything. So, for guys like that, certain situations, if that's what you're looking for, hey, you do it. Me personally, I can't be buying no used guns. It's not really my thing. I need to be the main man behind the trigger, the only one that has ever squeezed that trigger. My spray gun must be a virgin. But you dig what I'm saying, man. You dig what I'm saying. I don't like nothing that's been tampered with. I've actually only bought 2 used spray guns in my life, and that is the SEALER Jet 90. I bought 2 of those used. One from someone, and the second one from a pawn shop. And those old school guns, the way they're built, man, ain't nothing going wrong with that sucker, Yep, so had a SEALER Jet 90, bought it, had it for years, loved it, and then I said I want to get it plated, because it's like a classic gun, well-known gun in the industry from all the old schoolers. So I want to get it plated, coated, look real nice. I got the gun plated with some kind of nickel plating. It looked nice, but long story short, it never sprayed the same again. It always had bubbles. It had issues, air bubbles, and I got so mad one day and I just slammed it against the wall because I ruined the gun, and then it really just broke. So, and then I bought one from a pawn shop, the one I have now, my SEALER Jet 90. So, love that gun. Never gonna touch it. Never gonna try to get it coated with anything. And that's it. That's the extent of my used spray gun purchases. Those old classics, you got no choice, When you're from the era I was, and just seeing those guns, every shop, every painter had one. SEALER Jet 90 and Binks number 7. That was it. Every painter. The big boy painters, at least, The big dogs. Back then, those were the big dogs. And I had to have one. But yeah, so these are the results, man. Came out really good, really good. So any of you guys that come across them, hey, even make me a good offer. Maybe you can take this one off my hands. My guns are clean. Yeah, I can dig it. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Got it done. Not too bad. I got some dirt in this one, boy. Don't know where the hell it came from, but I definitely got some dirt in this one. Yep. Yeah, the gun did good. Spray clear, no problem. Did better than I thought it would, to be honest with you. Well, I ain't know what the hell to expect, so I don't know. But yeah, it sprays good. And you guys out there looking for a base gun, a clear gun, all in one, the first series LS400 definitely would work. Would definitely work. Definitely would work. Sprays base, awesome. Metallics, awesome. Clear coat, awesome, as we can see. But yeah, so that's a wrap, man. Today, Friday. I don't even know if I'm gonna get this out. I'm gonna wrap up this video this weekend, so we'll see. This might be it, but you guys know if there's more to come, then I'll put more. But other than that, that's a wrap. And remember, at the end of the day, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun. Okay, I actually snuck it out the booth real quick just to finish off the video, and then I stuck it back in. So I finished this video Friday night, same night. You know, I just like to get these videos, upload them, edit them, and get them going. I don't like to wait till the next week, come back, still waiting, then they gotta edit. So got this all done. Everything looked good. Pulled out the sun. That's what it is, man. That's the first generation, the first series, LS400, sealer, wet bed, metallics, and clear coat done. Looks good. So if you come across one out there for cheap, hey, you got yourself a gun that's gonna last you a long time. So I would like to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe to the channel. Don't even have to hit the bell thingy. Just subscribe so you can tune in from time to time. I ask that you would share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.